The world is becoming increasingly connected, and there are multiple ways that you can make international payments and spend money internationally. Today, we're going to look at one company that's trying to simplify the way you do that. Revolut is an innovative website and app that helps you simply spend money internationally. They offer a really wide range of Forex products. So today we're going to focus on their international money transfer services and travel cards. Initially founded in 2015, Revolut offers support for both individuals and businesses. Like we said, they offer a lot of products. These include multi-currency accounts, instant transfers for business, and travel cards. They even offer support for cryptocurrency trade and travel insurance. The way you use Revolut will change depending on the service of theirs that you're utilising. You can use them to make international ATM withdrawals with your Revolut card, or make international money transfers. The first step is signing up for a Revolut account. This process is really simple through the app or website. You'll provide your details, receive a verification code via text, and you'll be in. If you're signing up in Australia, you'll be added to the waiting list and notified when the service becomes available. Once you have your Revolut card, you'll be able to load it up with currency so that you can withdraw internationally. You can also then make international payments via your account. The most important thing you need to be aware of with Revolut is their fees. While they boast no international ATM fees and the interbank rate, there are limits. When you're withdrawing money internationally with your Revolut card, you have a limit of €200 per month. When we made this video, that was about 320 Australian dollars. After you've reached this limit, you'll be charged 2% on all your international withdrawal transactions. If you are a frequent traveller and you withdraw a lot from international ATMs, this may not be the best product for you. For example, the Citibank Saver Plus gives you the interbank rate and allows you to withdraw up to $1,000 a day. When it comes to international money transfers, you have a €5,000 limit, or about 8,000 Australian dollars. Then you'll be charged 0.5% fee on all additional transactions. This fee is still quite low. It's similar to companies like TransferWise or OFX and the fees they charge for international money transfers. With Revolut, you can also pay an additional turbo fee of €5. This will mean that your transfer will be completed within 1 business day. All providers offer different rates and fees when it comes to international money transfers, and these can differ depending on the currency you're transferring in or the amount you're transferring. Using a comparison table allows you to compare the rates and fees of different providers so you get an understanding of which provider will be best for your situation. You can load up your Revolut account with a debit card, credit card, or via bank transfer. Generally, when you make a transfer through your Revolut account, it will be at your recipient's account within 2 business days, unless you pay the additional turbo fee, which cuts this time in half. We like Revolut because they're a much better option than most prepaid travel cards, debit cards, or credit cards when you're traveling. They're also an excellent option for international money transfers when you're transferring a smaller amount because of their low fees and competitive rates. The most important thing to be aware of is their rate and the fees. So compare the rate you're offered on the app to what you'd find on Google, and keep an eye on their monthly limits so that you know when you're going to be charged. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have notifications turned on, you'll never miss it when we post something new. And we love hearing from you guys, so if you have any comments, just leave them below.